Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price, each day, or each candle, I should say, represents 4 hours. So to better illustrate this, let's kind of squeeze down the chart here a little bit. And while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. And I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, Sunday afternoon, for example, then yeah, the chart's going to look a lot different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to just talk about more so general levels and walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart whenever you're watching this. Now, I do want to make one little adjustment here now that we have more data. And the data just is showing us that, yeah, right here at basically 10,120, there are lots and lots of buyers, because over the past several hours, you can see that the price got right down to that area. And to give full credit where credit's due, like I said, the bulls stepped in a big way, and lots of buying occurred on all those situations. So that's where the first question comes in play. So let's just use that Sunday afternoon example. Let's say you're watching this video on Sunday afternoon. Question number one becomes, where is the price relative to 10,120? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 10,120, then that implies that an overall good, healthy consolidation is taking place. I mean, to offer up a little bit more context to that, let's say that you're watching it and the price on Sunday afternoon is sitting right at that level. I mean, even if that were the case, think about what that would still be telling you. That would be telling you that there's a set of lows there, there's lows right there, there's these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, then big picture wise, stair steps very clearly still in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. Truly strong moves are going to make progress and just trend higher and higher. And that, main progress point right there at 10,120. Now, on the flip side of things, you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, the price is above 10,120. Well, then you would want to immediately ask, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,500 up there, which is that key area of resistance you can see has knocked down the price on a couple different instances. If you're answering the question that the price is up above that level, well, at that point, it's just a matter of common sense, gut instincts, meaning the higher the price is up above 10,500, the more bullish the action is. So if you're answering the question, well, yeah, Clay, the price is at 10,600, don't get me wrong, that's great. But if the price is, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price up at 11,500, that would just be telling you that it is a very, very strong and bullish weekend. So like I said, from that angle, gut instincts, common sense will take you far. But definitely those two key levels going into the weekend, 10,500 as resistance and then 10,120 as support. So let's see how the weekend plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.